In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use boosts in Arm Wrestling Simulator. So, before I get into the video, I just want to say, please make sure you pay close attention to this video, because if you don't, you might not get all the steps correct. So, pay close attention and watch the end. Now, with that being said, let's get right into this video. So, the first thing that you need to know about this is that you actually have to have boosts first to use them, obviously. And there's a few ways you can get boosts. One of my favorite ways is with the little spinning wheel. I think you can get some up here. So if I spin this, you can see what I will get. Okay, I got some wins there. Not very useful. And okay, I got a golden potion here. And another gold potion there. And if I keep spinning, I should get some more stuff. Let's have a look. Nice, a lucky potion. And some more wins. Okay, so that's the first way you can get like boosts. The next way you can get it is if you go and claim in these gifts here. So if you just play for a little bit of time, you'll be able to get all these different things here. I'm just going to claim this egg. Epic monkey, cool. So you can also buy them in the store. So if you go to store, they have them here. They have them here. They got boosts for eggs here. Yeah, so you can buy them if you want to. It gives you this is a bit OP here. It gives you everything, but you can buy them, and I think you can probably win them in other places. I don't really know where. Probably by fighting people, you can probably win some. I'm not too sure, but yeah. So once you've actually got yourself some boosts, the way you're going to use them is you have to actually go to store here, and I can go here and find the one I want to use. So if I want to use earn double wins, I can click use, and that boost is on. Now if I look at the bottom here, I actually got a few boosts on. I've got friends boost. Actually, I haven't got that on, but if you join with friends, you'll get a boost with that. World boost, so I guess that's, I don't know what that is. I got another world boost, and I got a wins boost. Now you can have multiple boosts on at once, but you can't have the same boost multiple times, I don't believe. So I'm just going to win this. Shouldn't be too hard. You see, I just got 30,000 wins there. I would usually get like 15,000, but I got 30,000 because I got the boost on. So it's pretty cool. You can get boosts for a lot of things. But these are the main ones that are useful. And you can also get them in like your daily challenges. Probably, yeah, in these ones as well. Season passes. We've got a season egg. And if you buy the battle pass, then of course you can get some more of them, which is pretty good. I think you can also get them via trading. So if I wanted to trade with a player, I think I can possibly do that. But that might be for pets only, actually. But we shall see. Yeah, that's basically the ways you can get them. And then that's basically how you use them. Just go to store, find the one that you want to use, and then go ahead and use it. I think that's everything that you need to know. It tells you down below when it wears off as well. So if you did enjoy this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.